Hello, welcome back to our channel. If you're new to our channel, please do subscribe, and if you like our video, please give us a thumbs up. Also, turn on the notification bell for more updates. So today we will be learning about how to log in to Trust Wallet in your Android or iOS device. Firstly, you need to check whether your device is connected to the internet or not. If not, you won't be able to log in. Then you will have to open Trust Wallet application if you have already downloaded, or if you haven't, you have to download it from Play Store or App Store. Then open the application. After opening the application, it will show you two different options. One is to create a new wallet, or the second is I already have a wallet. Over here we will press create a new wallet. After that, we will have to agree the terms of service and privacy policies. After pressing continue, we have to enter a new passcode so that we will get access to it. After entering a passcode, it will show an option of backing up our wallet account. After entering the passcode, you will then have to back up your wallet. There will be several recovery phrases. It will ask you to write down or copy these words in right order and save them somewhere safe. And also, it says not to share this recovery phrase with anyone else. After you have copied, you must press the continue button. After pressing the continue button, you will have to enter it sequentially. After keeping it in a correct order and press the done button. After pressing it, your wallet will be successfully created. Once again, I hope this video was helpful for you. If so, like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.